Hi guys, welcome back with the second. It's a second Sudoku English additional of today's newspaper on Friday, last day of the month, Friday, April the 30th, 2021. We have three puzzles left: Sudoku with 4 stars, tectonic with 4 stars, and a binary puzzle. And the second one is a 4 stars Sudoku number 2718. All right, 4 stars. That means I need 30 minutes. 30 minutes or more to solve. Yes, for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? I do not know. Yeah, before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. All right, so let's get started. All right. Let me see. In this row, five missing numbers. Two of those missing numbers are the 2 and a 5. We have a 2 and a 5 in this big square. So no 2 and a 5 in these three boxes. We have a 2 and a 5 here. So the 2 and a 5 goes in those two boxes. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 5 in this last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only three places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. All right. Then 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 5. We have a 2 and a 5 in the middle row. So no 2 and a 5 in these two boxes. The 2 and a 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this big square should be the numbers 8 and a 4. 8 and a 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 8 goes there. All right. 8, 4, 7. Yes, 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers in this row are the numbers 4 is missing, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 4, 7, 8, 4, 7, 8, 4, 7, 8, and look, we have a 7 and an 8 in the middle column. So no 7 and an 8 in this box. The 7 and an 8 goes in those two boxes. So one number left in this row for the number 4. All right. Then. Let me see. We have a 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next. The only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Alright. 3. Yeah. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above, so that row, the only place for the 5 should be here. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 2. All right. So we have a 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So in the third column, the only three places for the 5 should be here, or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 5. All right. In this column, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. So the 1 could be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. All right. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 1. All right. We have now 2 numbers left in this big square. Here we have 7 and 8. So the other 2 numbers should be the 6 and the 9. 6 and the 9. We see here 9. No 9 there. 9 should be here and a 6 goes there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this middle row for the numbers 3 and 7. 3 and 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 3 and a 7. First pair, the second pair in this big square should be the number 6 and the 4 are missing. Yes, let me mark those again. Okay. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 9. We have a 6 and a 9 in this column. So no 6 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. The 6 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes. Alright. So what are the other 2 numbers in this big square for the numbers 2 and 8? No, 8 we have. 2 and 3. 2 and 3 are missing. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. All right. 7 in this column. Why? I've overlooked 7 and 8. I already have a 7 there. So this box can't be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7. And this box should be an 8. All right. 1 number left in this column for the number 8. All right. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 3 should be there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can't be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 7. All right. All right. Yeah. 4. 1 number left in the middle column for the number 2. Yes, 2 is missing. 1, 2, 3, 6, and the 9. 3, 6, 9. 3, 6, 9. Okay. 2, 2, 6, 6, 6. And then 9, 9, 9. Okay. Let me see. 4, 4. 4, 4. Interesting. 7, 7. 7, 7. 1, 3, 5, 4, 7. Okay. 9, 6, 6. Alright. Let me put some numbers because it's taking too long. 3 in this column. 3 in the third column, so the column between. The only 2 places for the 3 in the second column should be here or there. Here I need a 3 also. 3 in this column, last column, 3 in that column, so the column between. The only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 9 should be there. Alright, now we have a 9 here. So this box can't be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9. And this box should be a 6. Alright. 2 numbers left in this row for the number 7. 7 and 8. 7 and 8 are missing. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 6 and 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Now we have a 6 here, so this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6, and this box should be a 4. All right, 1 number left in this column for the number 4. All right, 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 3 and 8. 3 and 8 are missing. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. All right. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7. Okay. 2 numbers left in this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a 9 are missing. 7 and a 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. All right. So we have a pair. 7, yes. 7 in the first column. 7 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. So we have a 7 in this row. 7 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 2. 6 and 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 and a 6. So we have a 3 in this row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 3 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 and the 9 are missing. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Now we have a 6 there. So this box can't be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6, and this box should be a 2. All right, 1 number left in the first row for the number 8. All right, 8 in the first column, 8 in the third column. So the column between, the only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 6. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and a 6. 2 boxes left in the second row for the numbers 2 and 4. Yes, 2 and 4 are missing. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 6. All right. Last 2 numbers of this big square, the 6 and the 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Again, in 12 minutes for a 4 stars Sudoku. Is this really a 4 stars? No, I think rather a 1 star. And yeah, although there are less printed digits than the previous Sudoku, you cannot tell it's a difficult one or an easy one. So it's a kind of indication of the difficulty level, but you cannot always tell it's a difficult Sudoku. All right, I like this one. Yes, do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other 2 puzzles of today's additional. All right, see you later. Bye bye for now.